Today we're going to revisit this simple build that we did a few months ago. This is our DIY Lazy Susan. So we picked up this stuff at our local Lowe's and Walmart. This Lazy Susan hardware kit came from Lowe's. It is 6x6 by 5/16. The Scotch gripping pads were picked up at Lowe's. We'll put these on the bottom of our Lazy Susan hardware for grip and to keep it from sliding everywhere. We got these screws to screw our hardware onto our Lazy Susan. And before I go any further, we are not sponsored by any of these companies for this video. Picked up this slab of acacia wood at Walmart. It was $10. It's a pretty good slab. It's advertised as a serving board at Walmart. It's acacia wood. So I picked up 4 of them. And we're going to show you how we're going to build this one in this video. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sand this acacia slab down to 120 grit to get a nice smooth surface. And then we're going to apply probably 3 coats of lacquer. Apply this Krylon lacquer to it. This stuff is very strong. And if you don't have one, I suggest getting you one of these little handy dandy guns here. It'll save your fingers. Maybe not on something small like this, but it's nice to have. So we've got about 3 coats of lacquer on this acacia slab. We're going to let this last coat dry, and then after that we'll come back and give it a little light sanding on top, you know, make sure it's all smooth, and then we'll flip it over and we'll put our Lazy Susan hardware on, along with the gripping pads under 4 corners of it. So we'll make sure this thing doesn't slide anymore. Stabilize a little bit more. This thing lacquered up and dried, got it flipped over, and we're gonna put our Lazy Susan hardware on. Again, we're not sponsored by any of the products we're using in this video. So we found the center, and we're just going to take our drill with a small bit in it right here. And we're not going to drill very far into it. We just want to get it started for our screws. We know exactly where they're going. And then we'll come back, put our 4 screws in right here.
so it doesn't slide around everywhere.
As Miss Lillie said, we're gonna put these rubber pads on each corner of this hardware. That way it doesn't slide around all over the place, and it also protects your tabletop. This is a very simple project to do in about a couple hours, maybe not even that long, if you use lacquer on it. Lacquer dries pretty fast. Altogether, we got about $30 worth of material in each one of these, and you can turn around and sell these for 50 or 60 bucks. I mean, they're nice. This wood can be bought at Walmart or Lowe's or wherever they sell hobbyist woodworking stuff at. And here is our simple DIY Lazy Susan. If you got any value out of this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified anytime we release new content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.